Today, the biggest earthquake since 1880 hit Croatia's capital. At 6:24 am, March 22, 2020, a 5.3 magnitude earthquake shook Zagreb, followed by another earthquake of a similar magnitude at 7:01 am. The earthquakes caused considerable damage to the city's center and caused widespread panic. The panic was made even worse because of the coronavirus pandemic. People didn't know whether to stay inside because of the virus or to leave their homes because of the earthquake. Even though the earthquake shook the population, it wasn't the strongest in history. November 9th, 1880. At precisely 7 hours, 3 minutes and 3 seconds. A 6.3 magnitude earthquake shook Zagreb to its core. The earthquake was classified on the Mercalli scale as severe. A total of 1,758 buildings were destroyed and 485 more damaged. Barely any building escaped destruction. Most remaining buildings had to be removed due to the risk of collapsing. The Zagreb Cathedral was so badly damaged that it had to be completely reconstructed. It was finally reconstructed after 26 years, in 1906, by the Austro-Hungarian architect Hermann Bolle. Today's earthquake only damaged the cathedral, taking down one of its spires. The 1880 earthquake sparked further rebuilding, during which Zagreb's most famous buildings, parks and fountains were constructed. The damages resulted in a loss of about half the yearly national budget at the time. The Austro-Hungarian Emperor, Franz Josef, personally donated 20,000 forints to help pay for the damages. Many cities donated as well: Cardiff, Copenhagen, Istanbul, Sofia, Paris, London, the Vatican, and others. A total of 2 people died in the earthquake: a lithographer named Petar Stanic and a banker, Lavoslav Smetana. 29 more were left critically injured. The earthquake caused a panic, resulting in a large number of people leaving the city. In the first 24 hours after the earthquake, over 3,800 train tickets were sold at the Zagreb main station, departing for Vienna, Graz, Ljubljana, Maribor, Celje and other places in the Austro-Hungarian monarchy. The people remaining, mostly people living in poverty, tried their best to rebuild the city. August Šenoa, a Croatian writer, poet and senator, personally helped people rebuild their homes. Because this happened during the cold winter months, he contracted pneumonia, eventually dying from the illness a year after the earthquake. What we can remember from the Zagreb earthquake of 1880 is not the destruction it caused, but the unparalleled kindness that human beings can show in times of distress. We can look up to August Šenoa and the countless European cities that showed their solidarity to Zagreb. 140 years later, the heroism that was on display then should come to light now, during times of uncertainty.